The palace of Versailles shall be the heart of our kingdom, with gardens of exquisite and matchless beauty. Heaven shall be here.
Are you a believer in order over landscape?
Well, I admire it.
This abundance of chaos, this is your Eden?
My search for it.
You're inviting new ideas into the gardens. Why?
I've been persuaded to expand my horizons.
This project, is it worthy of us?
Why me?
I watched you in my garden. I was curious.
I've been issued an invitation to the Louvre.
Give me a kiss instantly, or I shall take grave offense.
I am no one. What could the interest be?
You are no one where everybody is someone.
Your Majesty.
Some of the roses seem faded and overblown.
That fate awaits all roses, sire.
Walk with me.
In the end, we have only our instincts.
Her work encouraged me to see beauty. Only some of us have that gift.
Under nature's eye, all roses may bloom, and although the elements may treat us cruelly, patience, care, and a little warmth from the sun are our best hope.